storm near Wooddale, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail is possible with this
About to
storm.
be on here.
Locations impacted include O'Hare Airport, Franklin Park.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cook County in northeast Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near O'Hare Airport and moving east at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Rosemont, Schiller Park, and Des Plaines around 6:25 p.m. Park Ridge, Norwich, and Harwood Heights around 6:30 p.m. Niles, Morton Grove, and Glenview around 6:35 p.m. Skokie and Northfield around 6:40 p.m. Wilmette Harbor, Wilmette, Kenilworth, and Winnetka around 6:45 p.m. This will also impact Interstate 90.
The following